Tell me when T Series के label से इतना बड़ा गाना ले जा रहे was out. See, I was a kid and I'm still is. I was a crazy fan of yours. I won't lie that. I had a
Thank you so much.
huge crush. I was like, bhai, what is this beauty I've just seen? I remember the very first shot of the song जहाँ पे he has a coffee का cup and he does this. And then if you were on a dating application, आपका bio क्या होता?
The best that anybody can have.
Were you getting such compliments in real life also?
Yeah, I mean, after the song came out, it was only that people got to know, you know, that this boy looks in a certain way, and this is what he looks like.
Define love in 3 words.
Sacrifice, compassion, and commitment. आपने मुझे on screen देखा था. आपको मैं पसंद आया था, but then उस वक्त पे सेम वक्त पे मैं खुद से नफरत कर रहा था. मुझे खुद से नफरत हो गई थी. I'm very friendly to my mother because there's nobody else who's really you know brought me up.
What is your favorite item number?
It's Dard Hai Disco. It's celebrating my pain. Dard Hai Disco.
Ever hooked up or dated your co-actor?
Hooked up and then side dating.
Was it?
Filmy Beat presents The Talking Stage with Ase Adi.
फाइनली जिसका मुझे बड़ा इंतज़ार था और जिनको मैंने बचपन से देखा और मैं इतना बड़ा हो गया फ्रॉम दिस सॉन्ग ले जा रही टू द रियल लाइफ पंच बीट का नाम लूँ मैं तमाम चीज़ें यू बिन लुकिंग वेरी फैबुलस ऑन स्क्रीन एंड इज़ अ वंडरफुल पर्सन इन रियल आई फील फ्रॉम द टाइम वी नो ईच अदर 2 days. Welcoming you to Filmy Beats podcast. इसका नाम है The Talking Stage with Ase Adi. How are you?
Thank you so much. Thank you, Adi. Thank you for calling me here. I've been wonderful and amazing and rocking and everything nice.
तो शुरुआत बिल्कुल उसी से करूँगा. When you know that you have got the way, है ना, जब पता होता है कि अभी रास्ता है मेरे पास.
Okay.
When you were doing good songs.
Okay.
है ना, अच्छे गाने कर रहे थे आप. फिर एक शो भी मिला, वो भी अच्छे से किया. A lot of other stuff in between, है ना. So were you always prepared कि नहीं, my way is films, मुझे बाकी सब नहीं देखना है.
Yeah, because कुछ ना आप सपने लेकर बड़े होते हो ज़िंदगी के अंदर and जब आप बड़े हो रहे होते हो तो आप ना कुछ चीज़ों से इंस्पायर होते हो. तो फिल्में मेरे लिए बहुत इंस्पायरिंग थी. मैं फिल्मों से बहुत सीखा हूँ रियल लाइफ में एंड अब भी सीखता हूँ. तो मुझे वो एक सपना था मेरा चाइल्ड लाइक कह लो इसको कि मुझे बड़े पर्दे पे आना है, मुझे फिल्म्स करनी है. अब OTT का बहुत ज़्यादा रीच है. I mean फिल्म से ज़्यादा रीच है OTT का. And everybody wants that convenience that you know they want to watch it on their phones, their tabs and their laptops, their television on OTT. But films are still there surviving and I want to you know do those films and whatever my childhood sapna was I want to just do it once, accomplish it. It's my greed within me and yeah, that's about it.
Tell me when T Series के label से इतना बड़ा गाना ले जा रहे was out. See, I was a kid and I'm still is. I was a crazy fan of yours. I won't lie that. I had a
Thank you so much.
huge crush. I was like, bhai, what is this beauty I've just seen?
Wow.
So tell me, were you getting such compliments in real life also? Because that was a really good song which did so well.
Actually, yeah, I mean, after the song came out, it was only that people got to know, you know, that this boy looks in a certain way, and this is what he looks like. Before that, I was just staying at home and I was continuously shooting. So it was only the people from my sets that knew that whatever I am or however I am, I mean, okay, thank you if you call me good looking. It's a blessing, I really believe, and grateful and thankful to you, to God, to everybody. So it was just the people from my crew cast and back at home that knew about me. So they weren't really people जो कि जानते थे मुझे. शो के बाद जानने लगे. उसके बाद मुझे ये सॉन्ग मिला. एंड उसके बाद जब पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ी तब लोगों को समझ में आया कि अच्छा ये सिद्धार्थ है और ये लेजरे बॉय है या फिर ये ऐसा दिखता है और तब मुझे वो प्यार मिलना शुरू हुआ.
I remember the very first shot of the song जहाँ पे he has a coffee का cup and he does this and then oh hey, that was really crazy for me and of course I've loved in Punch Beat as well. I've seen it I guess on loop देखा है मैंने तो वो show. I was in college, if I'm not wrong, I don't know.
Okay.
हाँ 6 साल पहले ना.
Right.
I was in 10th or 12th class, I assume.
Wow.
Very young I was.
Okay.
But tell me, जब लोग अब मिलते हैं after you've done so much, है ना, but still you're on your right track, कि no, I have to do films. We all know, Punchbeat के बाद you had thousands of offers from TV. They were making you lead. वो जितना पैसा आपको चाहिए था उतना दे भी रहे होंगे, उससे डबल भी दे रहे होंगे, but आपने सब मना किया.
हाँ यार, मतलब पैसे पावरफुल होते हैं, बट देन जो आपके सपने हैं ना वो ज़्यादा पावरफुल हैं आई थिंक. तो जो आपका मन करता है ना, जो आपका दिल करता है, आपको वो काम करना चाहिए. मैं ये सभी को सजेस्ट करूँगा कि प्लीज़ कभी लाइफ के अंदर भले कोई कितना ही बोले कि बेटा पैसा कमाओ, ऐसा करो वैसा करो, पैसे के लिए काम मत करना. वो काम करना जो आपका दिल चाहता है, जो आपका दिल करता है, जो आपके सपने हैं वो अकम्प्लिश करना लाइफ के अंदर. बस यही है ज़िंदगी और कुछ नहीं. बाकी सब चीज़ें अपने आप ही ना सही जगह पे आ जाती हैं.
That's true. जिम में कितना समय व्यतीत करते हैं आप? फोटो से तो लगता है कि पूरा दिन ही लगता होगा आपका.
Almost.
हाँ.
So I wake up at somewhere around 4.
In the morning, ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में.
4 in the morning, yeah, that's true. I've started to follow it now. I mean, I used to.
He is 30 also, so I assume अभी वो अकल आ जाती है 30 में. अभी हम बाई वाले जो कवले हैं उनको होता है कि let's sleep late, wake up late, है ना?
I don't know. I mean, it's the hard way that I learned, and it's actually true because once you wake up early, no, you get that feeling that you're already ahead of the world. The world is sleeping and you're up. So you're waking up with that feeling every day, and you're waking up with a sense of achievement already. So your day just goes right and amazing and well.
That's true. ठीक है. सुबह जल्दी उठ जाते हैं, जिम में पूरा दिन व्यतीत करते हैं.
नहीं, पूरा दिन तो नहीं. सुबह एम्प्टी स्टमक कार्डियो करता हूँ, लाइक आई रन. Then probably in the noon I'll train weights, and then in the evening I want to take a walk, so I do that.
And you walk alone?
I walk alone.
There's no chemistry?
Chemistry with anybody. I have a chemistry with the treadmill, the dumbbells, the park, the machines, that's it.
The worst he could say was no, but he has a chemistry with all the gym equipments.
Yeah, gym equipments for sure.
You're single?
Single.
Why?
पता नहीं. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't have the time to really, fall into love, I believe. I don't have the time to, really be looking out for somebody. And honestly, I consider it a part of my job that, you get certain love from people, but then I don't take it personally. I restrict it to the character that I portray on screen. I don't bring it into my personal life because you might just know me from that, that he's the Lejare boy or he's the Punchbeat actor. But it's just a part of me. It's not me completely.
Of course.
It's not personal. It's a job that I am doing on camera. So any love that I get from people, I don't bring it to my personal space. This Siddharth that nobody knows, and I want to keep it that private and personal. And yeah, that's about it. That's why I'm single.
But why Siddharth? Why you're keeping yourself very with a lot of shield? What was there? Something which has happened, which जो आपने फिर decide किया कि अभी shields रखना जरूरी है?
I don't know. I mean, I think एक ना मेरी खुद से कमिटमेंट है. और जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि ना एक चाइल्डहुड, एक बचपन का सपना है, तो ना एक अब ना वो जिद पे आ गया कि जब तक मैं वो कंप्लीट नहीं करता ना तब तक आई कांट सेटल. आई डोंट सी एनीथिंग. आई मीन, आई जस्ट हैव दिस विजन, आई मीन, विच इज़ प्रीटी स्ट्रेट कि मेरे को बस यहाँ तक पहुँचना है. मुझे आसपास कुछ दिखता ही नहीं फिर उसके अलावा. तो कोई मुझसे पूछता भी है कि you're working out so much in the gym. I was like, no, it's I don't feel that. I mean, I feel that's what I am compelled to do, and this is what I'm supposed to do because I have to reach that physique. It's not that it just might be abnormal to you that you find me at the gym all the time, but it's very normal to me because I want to achieve that dream.
Last time आप commitment में कब थे?
Last time commitment में कब था? Commitment में डालना तो मुझे मुश्किल है बहुत ज़्यादा. वो तो मैं एक ही कमिटमेंट बिलीव करता हूँ कि जो कि
शादी.
ऑफ कोर्स. सो किसी को पसंद करता था, बट देन कमिटमेंट नहीं बोलूँगा कि मैंने किसी को कमिट किया था कि मैं आपके साथ रहूँगा. वो मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक ही करूँ मैं ज़िंदगी भर, 7 जन्म में मैं बिलीव करता हूँ, उसके बियॉन्ड भी बिलीव करता हूँ, सोलमेट से बिलीव करता हूँ, बहुत प्यार में बिलीव करता हूँ। ऐसा नहीं मैं बिलीव सब चीज़ में करता हूँ, बट देन अभी मैं इस चीज़ के बारे में सोच नहीं रहा हूँ।
आखिरी बार कब थे आप रिलेशनशिप में?
लास्ट टाइम है 2020।
2020, 5 साल हो गए यार, कैसे चाहिए 5 साल?
5 साल हो गए, 2020 2019।
कैसे जी लिए अकेले? इज इट डिफिकल्ट? बट आई नो, सी नो मैटर हम कितने भी यू नो वैज्ञानिक बनकर ये बोल दें कि ओ वी आर ऑल ओके, वी आर डूइंग जिम, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, वी आर डूइंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, वी आर एक्टिंग एंड ऑल दैट, बट वी नीड दैट काइंड ऑफ लव एज वेल, है ना? हमें वो प्यार भी तो चाहिए। सिद्धार्थ, डोंट यू हैव दैट वैक्यूम इन योर हार्ट? डोंट यू हैव दैट एम्प्टीनेस? वो नहीं है?
खुद से प्यार करता हूँ। आई थिंक वो बहुत अमेजिंग है कि जब आप खुद से प्यार करते हो एंड खुद के ड्रीम्स को जब आप अचीव करते हो, क्योंकि मैं वो आई थिंक एक बैड एक्सपीरियंस शायद मोल्ड कर देता है या फिर आपका परसेप्शन चेंज करता है। पहले मैं रिस्क टेकर था कि मुझे आई मीन आई वाज ओके टेकिंग द रिस्क, बट देन नाउ नो मोर बिकॉज आई हैव सीन माई सेल्फ from I was this guy who was very happy and I never used to be sad any time. There was no time I was sad. I was blessed that way. But, I think I lost my dad very young. So उसके बाद भी थोड़ा sadness face था. But then भगवान ने इतना bless कर दिया कि तू अब सारी जिंदगी ना खुश रहे। तो मेरे को sadness ना मैं भूल चुका था लाइफ में क्या होती है। मैं पूरा टाइम मुझे कुछ बोल भी दोगे मैं हंसता रहूँगा, खुश रहूँगा, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था। एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आया जब मैं रिलेशनशिप में था, वो नहीं वर्कआउट किया तो मैं बहुत सैड हो गया और मैं खुद को क्रिटिसाइज करना मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया। आई मीन आप सोचिए कि आपको जब आप आई थिंक आप बोल रहे हो कि जब आपने मुझे ऑन स्क्रीन देखा था, आपको मैं पसंद आया था, बट देन उस वक्त पे सेम वक्त पे मैं खुद से नफरत कर रहा था। मुझे खुद से नफरत हो गई थी। मुझे लगता था कि आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ। आई यूज्ड टू डाउट माई सेल्फ। सो एवरीबडी इज बिलीविंग इन मी, बट देन आई एम डाउटिंग माई ओन सेल्फ एट दैट टाइम. That's how dichotomous life can be, sometimes.
True. So the time has come where I'll be playing a rapid fire with you, of course, which I specially prepared last night. Let me know when we are rolling. Done?
Rolling.
So the time has come where I'll be playing rapid fire with you. You have to be very rapid, spicy.
Rapid, spicy? Okay.
As much as you can. You are a spicy. Chill.
Okay.
Okay. Tell us your 3 bad habits.
3 bad habits. I don't sleep. I eat a lot. I have no girlfriend.
Oh my god. First one I relate to. बाकी दोनों तो ठीक है. If you were on a dating application, आपका bio क्या होता?
Dating application पे क्यों होता है?
Bio क्या होता? अगर होते तो assumptions में.
The best that anybody can have.
Really? Oh my god. What is your favorite emoji?
Emoji. These days it's एक eye roll जो ऊपर होता है और eyes closed or side eyes. I think I'm just watching everybody or just shutting my eyes. That's what I'm doing in life.
Define love in 3 words.
Love in 3 words. Sacrifice, compassion and commitment.
ठीक है. Single life or mingle life. Give one advantage and one disadvantage of both the lives.
Okay. Single life, the advantage is that you can be yourself and there's nobody who is interfering with your personal life, and you get to explore about your own self a lot. You know your own self. Mingle life again disadvantage कि आप ना दूसरे वाले की personality को बहुत catch कर लेते हो जब आप साथ में रह रहे हो, और advantage ये है कि of course आपके पास किसी का साथ है तो फिर आप comfortable रहते हो life में.
That's true. How your first date looks like?
My first date, very bad. Healthy food.
Only?
Yeah, I can't.
I swipe you left right away.
I don't drink. I don't smoke. I would take you to a good restaurant, maybe by the beachside, and can offer you the best of the food, the best of the
salads
cuisine.
and all. Salads and all.
I mean, no salt and good food, as in yeah.
Give us your introduction to Patayu.
To
Patayu.
Don't try. That's the best thing.
No, give us your introduction so that people can get impressed. ऐसा.
I didn't get that. Sorry.
Introduction.
Introduction about me.
हाँ.
Hey, I am Siddharth. I am 30 and single, and I'm handsome. I'm good looking. I got good money. I can take you to another galaxy maybe, and we can go to
Ooh.
Mars. I have a spaceship.
Bullshit. The best case is
The best unplanned.
ah, beautiful. Movies in theaters or at home.
Theater.
Holding hands or cuddles.
Cuddles.
Because cuddles में hands भी आप hold कर सकते हैं.
कुछ भी होल्ड कर सकते हो तो.
हाँ, a song which defines you.
जावेद अली.
कुछ भी hold कर सकते. Sorry, I just took time to process that. Go ahead.
Okay.
जावेद अली का वो गाना ये तूने क्या किया?
नहीं. Suddenly Savera, my own song. I think all of my own songs only define me because I believe that whatever songs you do or whatever films, whatever thing you do,
हाँ, it
is-
becomes close to your heart.
yeah, it's you only. You're the character, so that is why it has been given to you.
Ever hooked up or dated your co-actor?
Yes.
Hooked up or dated? Or both?
Hooked up and then side dating.
Which show it was?
Huh?
Which show project it was?
I don't want to say that. See, I have given you that I hooked up and that is how I started dating, but then I don't want to say that.
Was it Dhwani Bhanushali?
No. I don't want to comment. I don't want to say.
The only male actor you get turned on by.
The only
Male actor you get turned on by, if there is any.
me, myself.
Self pleasure is the best pleasure.
Absolutely. Indeed, yes.
Oh my. Who is your 2 a.m. friend?
2 a.m. friend.
No one. It's me. You know me, myself, and I.
No, but then I don't actually get on calls after 11 p.m. because I sleep early. So 11 बजे मैं बंद करता हूँ तो मेरे को 2 a.m. friend पता ही नहीं है कोई.
But you don't sleep, you mentioned.
हाँ जी.
You don't sleep, you mentioned.
Yeah, but 11 o'clock I sleep. 4 o'clock I wake up. So that's whatever
it's like
sleep.
Whatever sleep, true. That is true. ठीक है. Are you somebody who will post his personal life on Instagram, especially who you're dating?
After
No.
experience, no. I want to keep it private. I want to keep my gram for my work, but then keep my personal life to my own self.
Oh,
Simple.
That's so cool. Are you a late night guy who will go for? Of course you're not. For long drives and all that.
No, see, I'm a Gemini, so I have different personalities. You never know what I can do or what I'll do. It's just very spontaneous. Sometimes I like to be disciplined and carry, my disciplined schedule. But then sometimes I just like to be spontaneous and live in the moment and just do anything that I want to do in the moment that time.
Have you ever made out in car?
Yes.
When and how? Delhi? Don't tell me this.
No. Mumbai.
Lokhand wala back road.
No, not that place.
Chee, it is beautiful.
No, not that area. A lot of areas, a lot of Mumbai I've explored.
With people.
No, one person.
Oh. So afterwards, you've not seen somebody else.
No.
And when people approaches you, what is your way of saying no?
Simple. I tell them that that I'm not looking forward to anything like that, and I have my own commitments, my own priorities. I mean, you can just be honest about it. I mean, you don't have to really think that how the other person would just take it. Just be yourself. Just be honest about it. Candid about it.
Tell us about the film that you're doing,
The
which is
film-
about to release around the corner.
So it's yet to release right now, and it's like my dream for almost 5 years now. मैं 5 साल पहले I think ये manifest किया था कि I want to get into films, and now it is that is it is happening. So I'm just very grateful, and right now just want to speak about it, keep my fingers
Yeah.
crossed, keep it very personal, and when it'll come out, then it has to come out, like how it is supposed to and be planned as.
Done. What is your favorite item number?
Favorite item number, as in Hindi songs.
Yeah.
Hindi songs.
Is it Sheila Ki Jawani?
No. It's Darde Disco. I can pretty relate with it.
That it is.
Yeah, it
There was
relates
supposed to be
us,
sad song, but Javed wrote it the other way around. Ki
Yeah,
aisa na-
celebrate. I also do that. Celebrating my pain. Darde Disco.
What is your gym playlist look like? What all songs you've got? Name any
Don't
three.
ask. It can go from anything to anywhere. सूफी सॉन्ग से लेकर भजन से लेकर
Anything.
कोल्डप्ले से लेकर एमिनेम
Hmm.
और फिर मैं वापस सूफी सॉन्ग्स पे आ जाऊंगा.
Hmm.
कुन फायकुन सुन रहा हूँ. बहुत रैंडम है.
Hmm.
भागते भागते कभी रो रहा हूँ, कभी हंस रहा हूँ, कभी कहीं हूँ, कभी कहीं हूँ.
Hmm.
बहुत रैंडम.
Hmm. Siddharth, do you give a lot of credit to your life, to your mama? Because she has always been there, no matter what has happened. Maybe you hated yourself, she was there.
Right.
Hannah, maybe you lost in some project. Maybe you got sorted for some project. Maybe you were in love, not in love, you got cheated or whatever. But she was the only person we know. Like मम्माज हमेशा होते हैं ना, हमारी मम्मियाँ जो हैं हमेशा तत्पर तैयार है कि नो मेरा बच्चा है, I'll handle. And you knew that, you know, father is not there. So how difficult it was for you to get out of it and being very comfortable with mother, or you were always a mama's boy?
See, I'm very friendly to my mother because there's nobody else who's really, brought me up. And as a child जब मैं छोटा था तो मेरी मॉम ने मुझे बड़ा किया है. जैसे लड़कों को मोस्टली उनके फादर्स बड़ा करते हैं,
Of course.
बहुत रफ बनाते हैं. तो मेरी मॉम ने ना मुझे एक बहुत वो सॉफ्ट साइड दिया है अपनी तरफ से. सो उसको मैं बहुत अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ. And there's nothing greater than love. I don't, really think or feel heartbroken or curse anybody. I still give them love. I still love them because I've loved them once. So, it's something that I've learned from my mother that, even in the worst times, you can't just unlove somebody whom you have loved once.
True.
You can't, just tell them that, no, you have cheated on me. No, you're bad. No, I still love them. It's okay. Times weren't right. This is completely fine. It's nothing to do with them, it's everything to do with me because as a person, I am supposed to handle my own self, take care of my own emotions. It's nothing about them. They're all fine, they're all very good, they're all very nice people.
Yeah.
I couldn't handle my emotions. I am learning to handle it now.
You settled that way now.
Yeah, sure. Like I'm pretty calm and at peace because peace is what I wanted in life.
पहले आप short temper थे.
शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड तो अभी भी हूँ. शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड अभी भी हूँ, इसलिए आई थिंक बहुत वर्कआउट करता हूँ कि वो ना बस टेम्परामेंट अपना थोड़ा काम रखूँ. एंड आई थिंक आई क्रैक द बेस्ट ऑफ द डील्स. आई एम द बेस्ट ऑफ द गाय, द बेस्ट मैन टू बी अराउंड विद आफ्टर आई वर्कड आउट. आई बिलीव आई एम जस्ट काम एंड सॉर्टेड. आई एम लाइक ओ डैम व्हाट अ फीलिंग. एंड आई बी नाइस टू पीपल. I wave at people, they wave at me, I smile at them. Yeah, I'm this person. But then if I haven't worked out, and if you tell me that, Sid, miss your workout and we're going there, then I'd be like all the time,
Cranky you get.
yeah, like, why is it like, why couldn't I work out today? And why didn't I hit my shoulders? Why didn't I hit my arms? Why couldn't I do my legs? So, मैं पूरा टाइम पे ऐसे उस टाइम पे टेम्परामेंट के साथ रहूँगा. वर्कआउट कर लिया उसके बाद मैं बहुत सुपर से हूँ, कुछ भी कर लो.
ठीक है. And I love talking to you. I felt
Likewise,
so home.
thank you.
What is your message to people who are dying to see you again and again? Just like
Don't
me.
die, please. Don't die. Don't die. Just live a great life.
Live to watch.
Live to watch. Live to love, and be passionate and just do good. Love your parents. Love your partner. Love your own self. Love God. Just love life. That's it.
Thank you so much. With that note, it was so lovely. I felt home again. I'm saying, keep watching us on Filmy Beat.
Thank you so much. Keep watching Filmy Beat and keep watching Adi.
Ah.